In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to file 1099 NEC on TurboTax. If you receive non-employee compensation as an independent contractor or freelancer, the 1099 NEC is the form that reports that income to the IRS, and TurboTax has a guided path to help you capture it correctly. Before we start, make sure you're in the correct tax year, have your 1099 NEC handy, and you're signed into your return. From your return's main workspace, begin by opening the federal section. This takes you into the part of TurboTax that controls your federal entries and where all income items, including your 1099 NEC, are organized. Next, move your cursor over the income area. You're not selecting anything quite yet, just hovering to reveal the income categories and tools that live under this menu. This is where TurboTax groups all wage, investment, and self-employment items. Now go into the wages and income summary. Think of this page as your dashboard for everything you earned. You'll see sections for different income types, each with options to start or revisit entries you've already touched. Find the self-employment income and expenses section and choose Revisit. That's TurboTax's way of saying, go back into this topic, whether you're starting fresh or continuing where you left off. This is the home base for reporting 1099 Inc. income because it flows to Schedule C and calculates things like self-employment tax behind the scenes. If you operate more than one business, you'll manage each one from here. But for now, you're just entering the section that handles your non-employee compensation. When TurboTax asks if you receive self-employment or 1099 NEC income, select Yes. That confirms you need the self-employment workflow, so your income is treated properly, with the right forms attached. At this point, TurboTax will let you know that to accurately report this income, you'll need to upgrade. That upgrade unlocks the full self-employment experience, including guided 1099 NEC entry, Schedule C support, industry-specific expense categories, mileage and home office guidance, and automatic calculations for self-employment tax. Review the prompt so you understand what's included. Once you continue, TurboTax will open a step-by-step interview that asks for information exactly as it appears on your 1099 NEC, payer details, your totals in box 1, and any applicable state information, and then carry those amounts to the correct places on your return. A few quick tips as you proceed. Match names and identification numbers exactly as they appear on your form. Enter the dollar amounts to the cent if shown, and keep an eye on on-screen notes that explain how each answer affects your taxes. Save as you go, and if something doesn't look right, you can back up a screen to review. That's it. Following these steps puts you in the right spot to report your 1099 accurately in TurboTax.